Today, we're checking out 2 rangefinders that I got, and why am I here? Because what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna test it with my drone. Get the drone in the air so we get an accurate reading of how far away the drone is, and see if these rangefinders truly are spot on. See which one is better. If you're new to the channel, I do a lot of golf tip and drill videos, also a lot of product reviews, which is what we're doing today. So hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss anything. So I'm checking out 2 new rangefinders that I have. I'll show them to you right now. So let's get the drone in the air and get started. So the 2 rangefinders I have today are the Woosports 600 and from Proadvanced Sports, the ProMini Range 750. This one is cool because it's really small and light. It does your basic stuff. The Woosports, if you saw the video I did comparing the other model to the $450 model, I'll link that video right up here so you can check that out as well. They sent me the one that has slope on it, so we're gonna test that out today with the drone. Now, what I'm gonna do is, this is gonna be my spot from where I test everything. I'm gonna stand right here. There's some cactus back here. I'm gonna paste that off, and then I'm gonna get a just a baseline reading from both of these. What do these say versus what I pace off, all right? Let's do that right now. Look, we're golfers, right? So we're pretty accurate with our yardage steps. We get a lot of practice pacing it off. Let's pace it off and let's go. Okay, I got 61 yards from here. Now I'm gonna shoot it with each one and we'll see what's up. First is Woosports. It gave me a reading of 60.5, okay? Proadvanced, 61.6. So, right now they're about 1.5 yards off. All right, let's get the drone in the air, do some real testing. What we'll do is we'll fly the drone right over that cactus, make sure the drone is accurate too. Okay, we got the drone in the air. We'll fly right over that cactus. And I got Woosports up first. Okay, we're about right over it. It's tricky because this gives me feet and this gives me yards, so I gotta do the conversion. It's 174 feet. Right over the cactus. Let's shoot this and we'll figure it out. 65 yards versus 180 feet. Pretty close, okay? It's a little, you know, not 100%. What I like is this picks up the drone. I mean, if you could hit a drone with the rangefinder, I think you could hit a flagstick. So Woosports, great job so far. Okay, let's try the other one. Proadvanced. It says 62.9 yards to the drone. So let's back this up to 100 yards. It's gonna be 300 feet that way. And then we'll shoot it and we'll see if we got it. Right at 300 feet. Woosports, challenge 1. Here we go. Woosports got it. Got it at 100.3 yards. Good job. It's a little shaky, it's hard to get. Let's go to the other one. It's not something that would happen in real life, but it's more fun than just shooting flagsticks all day. Proadvanced, ProMini Range 750. See if you can stand up to the test. It didn't get it. I'm trying my hardest. Doesn't mean it doesn't work. It shot the cactus just fine, so. Yeah, I mean, it's good. It'll be fine on the golf course. I'm gonna bring it in, what's it at? 100, I'm gonna bring it in to 75 yards and we'll go from there. Okay, I'm right at about 75 yards. We'll go Pro Advanced, see if it could hit that. No dice. I'm giving it 5 tries. Five shots. Do the other one. Woosports 75-yard drone challenge. They got it. It says it's 83 yards. So, let me see. I'm at 226 feet. Convert that to yards. See how accurate it is. It also gives me a 10-degree slope angle. I don't know. It looks good to me. Let's bring it a little bit. Okay, we're at 200 feet. That should be 60 yards. Pro Advanced first. See if we get this. Boom, 74. 74 it says. Finally hit it. That was quick. It's got a little vibration mode too, so that's a good thing. Woosports, here we go. 75.0. Nails it. Battery's dying again. There you go. Okay, look, I know it's probably not the most accurate of tests. I mean, who's gonna shoot a drone with the rangefinder on the golf course? Nobody. But I wanted to put these to the test to see, really, can they pick up something this small hovering in the air? And from 60 yards, they did a fairly well job. The Woosports did a better job from farther away. My guess would be it's just bigger. So I am able to get a lot steadier with it. Weight-wise, they're about the same weight. This is just considerably smaller. And it works really well. I think distance-wise, they're within 1.5 yards of each other. I think the Woosports is slightly more accurate in terms of its yardage versus this. But I don't think 1 yard, for the average golfer, 1 yard, 1.5 yards is probably not gonna hurt you too much. Woosports has slope, so I like that feature, and you can turn it on and off. There's different modes, so you can have slope or not have slope. This I love because it's just small. You can actually put it in your pocket. It's not a big clunky thing. So depending on what you want, both very affordable. I recommend both. Depends on what you're looking for. Larger, smaller, slope, no slope, price, figure it out. Links below. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video.